Hello everyone, how you all? I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So, if you know me, like I'm an English learner, I upload videos on English languages. So, today, basically, I've chosen this topic which I'm going to speak in this video. The topic is about some people think books are losing importance as a source of information and entertainment. To what extent do you agree? So, this is the topic which I'm going to speak. Generally, I am sharing the opinion, and initially, basically, before making this video, I just also write down this as a topics because topic writing down is also a great thing for improving English language because this helps to basically keep in mind what are the mistakes we have done initially, and there are a lot of ways which we basically can improve ourselves, such as topic which you generated, you can put it into chat gpt and it will show you the mistakes which you have done. So after getting a chat gpt response, I'm going to speak on it, speak that one only because this that feels like a enhanced version of myself. So let's jump into this video. Books are losing their importance compared to earlier time because there are many other ways to get information nowadays, such as internet and newspaper. However, books are still important for gaining knowledge because they provide complete information in one place, and we do not need to visit different online platforms to collect it. Both online reading and physical books have their own advantages and disadvantages. If I talk about the benefit of online books, we do not have to carry physical copies with us. Physically, books can tear or get misplaced easily. On the other hand, the negative side of the online reading is that people are slowly losing the habit of reading books seriously. So moreover, reading online is not completely distraction free because we receive many notification and advertisement while using websites. Similarly, when reading books on mobile phone, we got calls and messages from our friends or colleagues can disturb our concentration. In conclusion, both physically books and online reading have their own uses in different situation. Every time it is not possible to carry books in our hands, so online reading is helpful. At the same time, physically books provide a better reading experience with fewer distractions. So this is the content which I got from ChatGPT, which is absolutely great, and it is very helpful for me. And the version which I basically write down, there are completely lot of mistakes which I found, and I'm going to basically improve by seeing that mistakes is. And for today's video, I think probably I have done a very great thing. Like I've done. I've read basically books, and I've done basically writing with, and now I've completed my video as well. So today that is it. Bye bye. Have a good day.